forces shot. Okay, good. We're ready. This is the baked less fat sour cream and onion. You can really taste the
zest.
The zest. There's a strong perfume of I'd say sauerkraut. You can get some salt in there too. Yeah. I'd say it's heavy in salt, so if you don't like salt, these aren't your. Oh.
The lack of fat's really a problem too. I don't think it tastes the same.
I'd say the fact that it's baked is the only redeeming factor to it, and I'm not even a baked fan. We can put these to the side yet. Don't you dare eat them. And we can go. We'll save the original ones to last. We'll go for these, which are actually ruffled instead of a flask full of these.
We need to.
Oh, we need a Nuterlizer mouth because. Yeah. Okay,
that's a bigger job.
So, these you can tell it's the same idea. It's baked, but these are actually ruffled.
Hint of cheese.
There's a hint of cheese. You get an idea
of sour cream.
You do get a touch of something that tastes similar to sour cream. This actually does contain sour cream, so that's where it comes from. And this clarifies cheddar and sour cream ruffled baked chips. I'd say that there isn't much change in the original flavor. It's good the fact that it's 67% less fat. Let's neutralize our mouths. Not difficult. My colleague's having difficulties neutralizing his mouth. Onto the Cheetos. These are classical skinny ones, not to be confused with the Puffs. These are actually only 50% less fat in comparison to the other ones, which are 65. The onions here. Looks-wise, they look somewhat identical, only a little bit.
Cheetos.
The normal Cheetos, yes. The consistency is somewhat different.
A bit more dense.
I'd say dense, yes.
Yeah, dense is
because you always have that feeling like this is a good example. This is a lot skinnier than the normal one, but there's the same amount of flavor, which I think is completely worth it. I feel like I could eat a lot of these without having that sick feeling to my stomach, saying that you just ate too many of these chips. One of our fellow fans. Just the coloring on this, there isn't as much orange as you'd like to. There's a strong presence of yellow, which could be appreciated by some, but personally, I don't appreciate it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, let's neutralize our mouth.
Oh, yeah, first. Put these off this side.
And here we have original baked, 65% less fat. It's practically the normal chips you get when you go to like strip club or something.
Should taste like literally nothing.
Should taste like nothing, which is what we expect. We were gonna get the barbecue ones, but there were some issues with our plug
supplier,
yeah. So these have a taste of absolutely nothing. Thank God we ate these before, because these still give you the hint of some existing flavor. See, potatoes in general don't
fucking interrupt me. Okay. I think they're a bit like saltier than the other ones as well.
I'd say that potatoes don't have any flavor. By baking them, you're taking away the little flavor it has. So you have to really put a lot of condiments on it to give the consumer any sense of appeal to it. So,
satisfaction,
yeah. So in general, we reviewed the baked less fat glaze. We reviewed the Cheetos, our Nuterlizer, which we used.
Very good Nuterlizer. I do recommend.
We do recommend it. You can check it out in the link in the description.
New
Thank
videos reviewing this coming soon.
Yes, thank you for watching our videos on reviews on baked potato chips. If you ever have any questions concerning chip-related issues or water or any other videos that aren't created because of a lack of interest in the community, please subscribe and like this video.